Hi everyone and welcome to HOERBIGER. Few parts of a compressor are exposed to such stress levels as the piston rod assembly. Our standard always includes non-destructive testing to identify risks to the structural integrity of the components. Let's have a look. After the inspection and the reconditioning process, the piston and piston rod assembly are, together with our top quality rings from HOERBIGER, as good as new and ready for reinstallation.